Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adila binti Naam. So today I will be presenting the EventifyU application. Now I will show you the onboarding and the login process. When the application is first launched, user will see a short splash screen followed by 2 onboarding pages. This page provides a brief introduction to the application, main feature and purpose. For returning users who are already familiar with the app, they can simply tap the skip button to proceed directly to the login page. On the sign in screen, you will notice there is a user and admin toggle at the top. Even though both roles share the same application, each account is assigned a role during the registration process. This role is permanently linked to the account, preventing user from accidentally signing in under the wrong role. The application supports 2 authentication methods, which are email and password, login, and Google Sign In, giving user a convenient and flexible way to access the system. For this demonstration, I will sign in as a user. Once the login is successful, Firebase authentication securely verifies the user identity and manage the login session. At the same time, Cloud Firestore store and retrieve the user profile information, including their assigned role, to ensure the correct dashboard and feature are displayed after login. If we briefly look at the code, this is the alt service.file file located in lib service inside the sign in with email function. The system authenticates the user credential and then perform a role matching check with the data stored in Firestore before granting access. This ensures the user can only log in using the correct account. That concludes the onboarding and login process. I will now hand over to Fudai, who will continue with the admin side of the application.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Fudai. So now I'm going to talk about admin walkthrough. Okay, so this is the admin dashboards where we have 2 tabs, events and all event analytics. So I'll come back to analytics later. Right now, we're on events, showing every event as a card here. With dates and live status batch like here. We have dates, time, locations, the participation, and the status of events. So, the upcoming and going or past calculated automatically from the events. Let's add a new events. Okay, let's go. So now, everything here maps to a real user interface patterns you would expect in production category drop down here. I'm going to select as a festivals. A native date picker that disable past dates, a time range picker for start and end time, and a location picker with quick select UiTM facilities. So here, on the select a time, AM, okay, I'm going to go with 12 AM, yeah, 12 AM. This is going to go PM. Okay, date, I'm going to select Saturday. Location, I'm going to just quick pick event name. Alright, escape route. So the organizer is me. Description. So now here, we store. So the image uploaded, we store this as base64 directly in Firestore instead of Firebase storage. Since storage require a paid plan and we wanted the whole app on Firebase free tier, we can add image here. But since I'm using the emulator inside my VS Code, there is no image yet. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick college. So ongoing. Now I'm gonna save. So as you can see, my escape room here already saved. So here the important part, every event get its own attendance QR codes generate the moment the event is created. No extra step. Admins can display it full screen at the event venue. So you can see here. I'm going to go to edit events so you can see it. Right. So, wait. So I'm gonna show you at this live the point watch events from the code where snapshots. So this whole coding is a live stream, not a one-time fetch. Any change here push to every connected screen instantly. So quick look at edit. We'll go edit events. So here, admin can update any field, delete the event with a confirmation dialog like this. So, and there backup manual scanner here as well in case a student's phone can't scan for some reasons. Yeah, you can see here for some reasons. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the delete event. So I'm gonna delete it, and now there is no my event here because it already deleted. Okay, now I'm gonna pass to the Shika and she will show you the exact same event from the student side.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nusharika binti Ahmad Jaiz and I am from CSC660 for B2. Now I will presenting our group project entitled EventifyU. So now we are switching to the user account at the home screen. You will see a search bar, category filter and upcoming, ongoing or past filter, defaulting to upcoming, so finish event don't clutter the feed. When you tap an event, it will bring you to event detail page. At the page, you will see the time, date and also the location. Next, when you tap the date, it will bring you straight to the phone's calendar, and when you tap the location, it will open Google Maps. Next, I will explain about the register button. So if the profile is not complete, this screen blocks registration and tells the student to finish their profile first. So we validate before writing anything to the database. After confirming, the student gets a digital ticket with their own QR code downloadable to their gallery. But the real flow is self-check-in. So when the student taps scan attendance, scan the QR admin is displaying at the venue. Student will get a review card confirming the event and their name. When student taps present, that's it. Attendance is recorded straight into the Firestore from the students on device. No admin has to manually check anyone off a list. Now I will explain about the code. Firestore.rules, the registrations allow update block. This is the security rule that makes self-check-in safe. For example, a student can only update their own registration document only to flip attended from false to true and only touching the attendance field and never their name or metric number. Even if someone tried to call the Firestore API directly, this rule blocks it server side. Once student attend the event, two things will happen automatically. First, merit points update on the profile, and also download e-certificate button will appear immediately on the ticket with no manual step from anyone. Now let's go back to Noreen to see this from the admin side. Back on the admin device. The attendance charges record is already here. Here, this list show every registration with a live attended and not attended badge. Below is an attendance progress bar and a pie chart breaking down participant by faculty. By tapping all event analytics on the dashboard, give university management a broader view. It shows most active month, most popular category, and a full faculty participant breakdown across all events, not just one. And this is the generate report. One tab produces a full PDF, event details, total register, total attended, attendance rate, faculty breakdown, and the complete participant list with each person's attendance status. It can save or share for keeping the PDF. As you can see in lib service report service that we have built the PDF package, which is use the real PDF generation, not a screenshot. And the last thing, notification flow both directions. When a student register or check in, the admins will get notified. When the attendance update or certificate becomes available, the student does too. All through the same real-time system. As you can see, this is the notification screen.